Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1999 Ford Winds 200 Horizon. It's a freshwater boat in fantastic shape. Very clean and well maintained. Mainly used in Door County, Wisconsin in freshwater. Okay, so here we are in the bow of the boat. Ample seating. No rips or tails in the upholstery. Ski tow locker. Co-captain's chairs. Nice bench seating in the back. This boat has a Volvo Penta 5.0 in it. Gets up on plane, runs extremely well. Good view of the helm. This boat is in excellent shape. Give us a call today to schedule a viewing. We'd be happy to get you on board and take a peek in person. You can call us at 920-746-8200 up in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching.